Alright, I missed a couple of days of not posting because my system went bad. The system I used to edit and post this YouTube video was not kind of good, so I've repaired it. Alright, moving on. Starting with the first news of the day and the most exciting one. OpenAI's partnership with Figure yielded a stunning video of their robot, Figure 01, being able to carry out quite impressive tasks. Here, you can watch the video for yourself.
Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure 1.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
Alright, did you see how impressive this video was? Like, the robot was able to, like, let's say, manipulate like different objects. It knew the spatial positions of the man's hand, and also the different objects on the table. It knew where to, like, let's say, re-rack the plates and the cup after being used and so on. It's quite impressive. Like, that's like, when you look at it, that's like a high level kind of thinking that goes into those set of robotics manipulation and dexterity. But I'm wondering what Tesla is like thinking about this video. Like, I'm wondering, like, they'll be like, wow, like, this thing kind of went fast. But I'm sure Tesla will have something to release, like, in a couple days or maybe a couple weeks that's on par or even better than what we are seeing today. Alright, moving on. Cognition Labs released an AI model named Devin, which is capable of handling various software engineering tasks with minimal to no effort from the user. So here's the demo, so you can tell me what you think about it.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
All right, like does it seem cool or what? Because it's kind of cool to me. Like, this is like an AI kind of doing almost, if not every task, but like, let's say, like, it's kind of doing let's say a broad range of tasks that like a software engineer is going to do. Like, let's say finding out the error, debugging, and just kind of like, let's say reading the README to know how to approach solving or maybe or how to like approach using the let's say the software. And it also does like a whole lot in, like, let's say going to the web and kind of installing like, let's say the different packages that are going to be able to run the software. It's quite amazing, but I think the only downside was that it can just do only 14% of what a typical or an average software engineer could do. Not do, but handle the software engineering tasks that a typical average software engineer could handle. Like, just 14% of the time. Like, one Twitter user said that it was not going to be kind of optimal to like deploy it right now. You should be able to handle 100% of the tasks that software engineers face on a daily basis. But it's quite impressive when you look at it. I think and GPT-4 and GPT-5 have not 4 and 5, 4 or 5 haven't yet been released. So I wonder what they could bring about. Why, I think they will bring about something good. But this is just like from a new lab. Imagine what an already established company like OpenAI is going to bring out in a couple weeks, or if not months. All right. So today's video has been a short one. There hasn't been any major highlights that really warrant being inside this video, or I really know of. I kind of searched, but I didn't see most of them. So all right, this has been a nice time talking with you guys and letting you guys know about the current state of the art of tech and AI in the AI space. All right, I hope to catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.